Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. So let's start friend. First of all, we will make a magic ring. We will hold a thread like this. Then we will make a chain 1. After that we will make 5 single crochets in the magic ring. Then we will tighten this thread, and in this first space we will make a slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, we will make chain 1. Then we will make 2 single crochets in each space. And again we will attach with the help of slip stitch. Then again we will make chain 1. After that we will make 1 single crochet, next space 2 single crochets, in next space 1 single crochet. We will repeat the row like this: 1 2 1 2. At the end of this row we will have total 15 single crochets. After making this third row with 15 single crochet, in fourth row we will make 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in third space. Again 1 1 and 2. At the end of this fourth row we will have total 20 single crochets. Then in 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th till the 9th row we will make single crochet over single crochet. That means 4th row we will have 20, 5th row 20, 6th 20, 7th 20, 8th 20 and 9th. Till 9th row we will have 20 single crochets. After making 9 rows, we'll make chain 1, Then we will make one single crochet, two single crochets in next space, one single crochet, and then two single crochet. We have to complete the row like this: one single crochet, two single crochet, one and two. At the end of this row we will have 30 single crochets. And now, after attaching here with the help of slip stitch, we will make chain 1, and in this row we will make one single crochet over a single crochet. That is total 30 single crochets. We will not increase or decrease any single crochet. We will just make one single crochet over each space. We have to complete row like this. In the last row I will make slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. In each space we have to make slip stitch and chain 1. You have to complete the row like this and your bell is ready. For making a bow at the top, we'll make a slip knot and then 50 chains. After making 40 chains, we will slip stitch in each space. Like this we will do slip stitch in each space. After making this, we will sew it with the needle. And your bow is ready. In the last, with the help of sewing needle, we will make this loop for a hanging. You can either stitch this bow here with the help of a sewing needle, or you can paste it with the glue. Your beautiful Christmas bell is ready. Hope you like my video. Please click on like button if you like my video, and do share it with your friends who are doing crocheting. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.